Hey guys, just wanted to talk about Finviz and the wonderful screen that basically is a stock screener, the Finviz Stock Screener. So, there's a lot of things that, Finviz is useful for investors or traders. But one of the things that I really like is the screener feature. So, and this is the homepage on Finviz. You can go to the screener feature just right up here. You press screener, and there's a number of tools that, a number of inputs here on the front page where you can select different options. Typically, what I do, one of the big indicators that I like to use is the 20-day new high. So I want to screen for stocks that are in the 20-day new high. So what I do is I'll come over to technical, and just one simple click on 20-day high or low. You want to say new high. If you want to get 5% above that or lower, you can specify it even further, but I really want to see every day I do this screen. What I really want to see is who's making new highs today, who's really pushing the to make a new high. So once you do that, you get a list, and that list can be sorted different kind of ways. I like to sort it by volume. So I'm looking for stocks that are making new highs on high volume. So this is the list from Friday, and we can see Zynga, XLE, the energy sector is really what's happening now. And you can, one of the things I do is go over to stats, and you can see that the biggest groups that are making new highs are financial and energy. And these things typically happen in cycles. If you do this every day for a few months, you'll see that there are sectors that are hot at certain points in time. Like right now, the energy sector is the sector that's making new highs, and all of those stocks that are in the energy sector are the stocks to focus on. Now, I'm a credit spread trader, so what I like to do is typically every cycle or every expiration, it's a different set of things. So you're not, unlike being a stock trader, you're not just stuck in a stock until it makes profit. As a credit spread trader, you can go in here and say, okay, well, who's making new highs right now? XLE or Nzinga, whatever, or RIG, and you can trade that for just the next 20 days. And usually, within that next 20 days, next couple months, we're in a whole different cycle. Tech cycle is not what's happening right now. It's oil. So a lot of the stocks that I'm trading right now are BP, Exxon, XLE, and oil. I'm a big oil person. So oil is hot right now, but this is the idea. First thing I do is I want to see just who's making new highs on high volume. So I sort it again by volume, and that's going to be what I'm trading. And then you can go over here to snapshots, and you can see quickly if these charts are making sense to you. So for me, what I like to see is this above the 200 period moving average and the 100 period moving average? And I can quickly identify that. So XLE would be a candidate, XOM would be a candidate, BP, you see the 200, 100, okay, it's making new highs. A lot of energy stocks. All right, but that's basically how I use the Finviz Stock Screener every day to identify uptrending stocks. to play in my options trading account. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and please subscribe or hit the like button or whatever you got to do. Take care.